Once a cultivation experiment is completed and the gassing lid has been dismounted from the incubation chamber, it must be disassembled for cleaning. To that end, push down the 2 protruding pins to remove the gassing lid from the Microtiter plate. If a robotic cultivation experiment was performed, first unclip the robotic lid and remove the silicone foil. After the gassing lid has been separated from the Microtiter plate, remove the silicone and sterile barrier foils. Please be aware that the Microtiter plate and all cover foils are for single use only. Now you may discard the MTP, or if desired, first take samples from the cultivation wells.